And Olympics 1500-meter champion Faith Kipyegon and World 1500 champion Timothy Cheruiyot have been confirmed for the Monaco Diamond League slated for August 14th. Kipyegon, who will be making her debut at the Monaco meet, will contest with the 1000 meters, in which she'll face the World 800-meter champion Halimah Nakaayi of Uganda and European 1500-meter champion Laura Muir of Britain. It will also be the first competitive appearance for Kipyegon since clinching silver at the 2019 World Championships in Doha, Qatar. Cheruiyot will be competing in his preferred 1500-meter race, and will be clashing with Norwegian brothers Jakob and Filip Ingebrigsten. Cheruiyot, the three-time Diamond League champion, will be seeking revenge against the Norwegians, who beat Kenyans to win the virtual race in the Impossible Games held on June 11th. Hellen, Obiri and Consenslus Kipruto will also be part of the fray.